Okay, now let's look at what makes these things actually actuate. Now, the contacts are here. Below this is this little coil. It is mounted to this iron core, and the coil here is what energizes, and when it energizes, it creates a magnetic field in this core, and it draws this part here down like that and pulls it in. So it's just actuating a metal bar and moving the metal bar down to close the contacts. Just a little electromagnet. Now if I wanted to know which one is on a contactor, now here's a contactor here. If you look close on this one, you can see it says 24 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Same thing. 24 volts, 60 cycles. They could be 24 volts, they could be 120 volts, 240, or even in some cases 460. If you mix them up, it's either not going to work, or you're going to get a little bit of smoke out of that thing and it's all over. Some of the larger contactors have replaceable coils, so that you have a choice of different coils to use, and those are probably not viable unless you've got something like a 75 or 100 amp contactor. Most of the time we just replace the entire contactor when it's small. And that is what actuates a contactor.